1968 Pontiac Tempest base models. The Tempest name is inextricably linked to the GTO, the car that ignited the muscle car era. However, a base model 1968 Tempest is not a GTO. It is a prime example of the base model trap, sharing the GTO's handsome sheet metal but none of its performance soul. For 1968, the entire GM A-body line was restyled with a curvy Coke bottle shape, giving the base Tempest the same sexy silhouette as its legendary sibling. The illusion of performance ends there. The standard engine was a 250 cubic inch overhead cam inline 6 that produced 175 HP. The base V8 option was a 350 cubic inch two-barrel V8, making only 265 HP. These figures are a world away from the GTO's standard 350 HP, 400 cubic inch V8. The market reflects this performance chasm with a colossal value gap. A 1968 Pontiac Le Mans, a slightly more upscale version of the Tempest, equipped with the base V8, is valued by Hagerty at just $10,200. In stark contrast, a base 1968 GTO starts at $21,900 and climbs rapidly with better options. Purchasing a base Tempest is buying the name, not the car. It offers the GTO's good looks, but none of its substance, making it a classic automotive tease.